Critical me checking in. So I saw Dumb Money. Yes, it's a comedy, just to let you know. Well, they were going for that. So it's obviously about the stock market, GameStop, that whole scenario that went down. I did follow it, but not nearly as close as, like, obviously the people on Reddit that got in, and this was like the story of the person who started it, but then also some of the other people who got on board. You never know how accurate everything was. I do feel they did a pretty good job to as far as adapting it to a movie. I was entertained for sure. They cast it good. I'm gonna rate this from an entertainment value. I just wanted to laugh and be entertained, and it delivered that. You can always be. So for story, I mean, it's based on real events, so how they told it, I'm gonna say pretty well. I'm gonna rate it at an 8. Now, for the entertainment value, I definitely laughed. I feel like if Eric Douglas would have seen this movie, it just had some ridiculousness to it. It could have been another level even of just laughter, but laughed multiple times. It just the way they portrayed it was entertaining for sure. I'll rate it at an 8. It was fun. It was good. I feel like I thought it was going to deliver more like a 6, and it was better than if you're going in that you're just going to laugh hysterically. That might not meet your expectation. The performances, the acting, I like the characters. It was you had the underdog that just the stock market people and just how they handled themselves. Well done. I don't think comedies ever get any kind of nomination, so I don't think anybody's getting nominated from this one. But they did a damn good job. I'm gonna rate it at a 7. The artistry, the way they budgeted this thing, the way they shot it, very tactful. They had some nice locations for the people with money, because it was shot during, this kind of whole took place kind of during the pandemic type dealio. I mean, they did good with it. I'm gonna rate that at a 7. So the vibe, since this was a screening out before, small theater, but there was definitely people laughing around me. I think I was the culprit of making other people laugh, if anything, around me, just because I thought I was entertained. The vibe, I feel like Eric Douglas would have put this one on like an 8. I'm gonna say a really solid 7 for the vibe. Go see it. If you want to be entertained, you want a little bit more of an in-depth look towards the dumb money that I believe this kind of reset the precedent and the way things are handled with shorting the stocks, and an interesting time. And wow, like, you could feel the energy and the excitement of people when the stock was going up. I can only imagine how exciting that was to be on that roller coaster of being in there, and your money's in it, and every day it's just like wow, that roller coaster. Anyways, critical me checking in. Dumb money.